What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Fireplace Friday. Jeremy doesn't have his Fireplace Friday shirt on, and Jeremy looks a little bright-eyed and bushy-tailed because me and Brandi, my wife that works here with us and runs the office, just got back from our 20-year anniversary vacation. Went to Maui. It's very beautiful out there, part of the United States, so it's very nice to travel. You don't have to worry about getting different currency, and your cell phone works and all that other stuff. So I highly recommend it, but it is a long trip, and it's a 5-hour time difference. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's 5 in the morning out there. So we just got back yesterday, and so I'm a little jet lagged. Probably do a lot of sleeping over the weekend. It is Friday, so good stuff there. And but it was an excellent trip. If anybody ever wants any tips or anything on travel arrangement, things like that, let us know. Let me know, and I'm more than happy to share pictures or share ideas and things to do out there. It's a lot of fun. Hey, Charlie, how you doing? Art, how you doing? Hey, Art. Someone, sorry, I'm hazy-headed too, had contacted me about doing the duct cleaning network out here in Kansas City next year. So make sure you guys get a hold of me on that. I'd love to help. It'll be a lot of fun coming down here to Kansas City and doing it here locally. We don't do air ducts, but I can for all you out there that are watching. But I've looked into it, and we do dryer vents, and we can actually talk about dryer vents today. So. We can talk about dryer vents real quick here. So dryer vents, a lot of people don't think about dryer vents as needing service, but just like any other vent or duct in your house, they do need service. Trying to find something that isn't so bright. There we go. And you want to clean that lint out of those dryer vents. And sometimes dryer vents have really short runs that just go right out the side of the house. Some of them have really long runs. And the long runs one will actually build up lint within the duct. Some of them aren't ducted properly, so you want to make sure to have a professional service person out there before you have a problem. If it's taking longer than normal for your clothes to dry, or if they're still a little wet after you dry them, it could be that the duct is clogged. So let's talk about what we need to take a peek at. If people go, I don't want to just hire someone and have them out. And pay someone to come out to tell me, it's this or that. Well, maybe let's take a look. Let's take a look and see what we have to do. Let me ask Tyler here. Hey, Tyler. Yeah. Hey, where's the dryer vent stuff that you got? Do we have any dryer vent kits or anything anywhere? Yeah, oh, cool. Let's go out to Tyler's truck. We're gonna we see Tyler. Here's Tyler. Hey, Tyler. Hey. We're gonna go out and take a look, and I'll show you kind of what you need to look for. If you want to take a peek at your dryer vent and see if you need a cleaning on it, if you don't want to just have someone come out and check it for you, but it's a good idea to have it checked. It's, dryer vent fires happen every year. A lot of people don't think about it, but they do, because lint is very highly flammable. So, bright outside. I'll tell you, the sun today is nice, but it doesn't beat down on you as hard as it does in Hawaii. Okay, so get me out with the vent there. Okay, so let me put it here. So this is what one of your typical vents might look like. This one has a little cage around it, which isn't a good thing because the lint can get hung up in there. So let's take this off. And we don't want animals in these. But this is what a lot of them look like here. So you got your flappers in there and everything. Let me go in here where it's a little darker. So you have your flappers. So if you go out and you look on the side of your house and you see something that looks like this, you want to pop it open and take a flashlight and look in there. And if you see a lot of lint build up, then obviously you probably want to have your dryer vent serviced. That lint is highly flammable. If you don't believe me, take some of it and take it somewhere safe, maybe in a metal container, and light a little on fire, and it lights up fast. So obviously we don't want that, even on an electric dryer, we don't want that clogging the vent, number one. On a gas dryer, we don't want to clog in the vent. We don't want any carbon monoxide gas leaks, anything like that. These are all things that get checked on a normal dryer vent service with a professional company. But we want to make sure that these are intact. We want to make sure they're working properly. We want to make sure that there's no blockages. We want to make sure that none of them are broke. We want to make sure there's no animal entry or anything. That none of that stuff would be very good. So always look for that. Walk around your house, look for one of these bad boys, and if you open it up and you see dryer lint in there, then it might be time for a dryer vent service. And if you give us a call, we can help you with that. Office number here, 913-236-7141. We've got 2 certified dryer exhaust technicians. They're CDET technicians on staff. One of them is our brand new CDET. It's our Darius. Good kid. He decided to take the CDET exam to expand his knowledge, and he loves doing dryer vents. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let you go because I need to go get a few more things done here at the world headquarters before I go home and take a nap and try to get over jet lag and wake up hopefully over the weekend. It's a good thing we came back today because we have Saturday and Sunday to take it easy and spend some time with the family, see the kids because we haven't seen them in a while, and I can get caught up on some sleep and hopefully have some fun because I think most kids go back to school next week. And so that's a good thing. And obviously the chimney business will start picking up too because the weather's going to start cooling off. People are getting back from vacation and getting the kids back to school. And then everything starts to calm down. People spend more time at home. So things like dryer vents need serviced and chimneys need serviced. And if you have any questions or anything, give us a call. Send us a little Facebook message, what have you. Thanks for watching today. Have a great weekend, everybody.